Hi, my name is Max Sitailo. This is Nixwood channel. Today we have new updated Google Pixel 4a phone. We bought it on Amazon and now we will do unboxing and quick review. Why this phone is so popular. If you will check link to official Google store on Amazon down under this video, you will see that sometimes this phone is not available. This means that it is very popular and Google sell it millions of this phone every day. So you can go and check the link and see that sometimes you can buy it, sometimes not. The price of it only $349. So we ordered this phone from Amazon and we received a box like this. Now we open this box and this is the phone. So the box is very small. And now we will do unboxing. So this is the box. Box is very small. You make sure that it has this hologram and we will start to unbox. So what we have inside? Inside we have the phone right away. Except the phone, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we have charger. It is USB-C charger. I think it is quick charging. It is 18 watt. So it is pretty quick charger. You can charge other devices using this charger. And I see that there is something else, some connector. This is USB-A to USB-C. This is very interesting. I don't know why they need it, but it is good. Then they have this pin to put in a SIM card and this interesting book and no stickers. And this is the phone. So this time Google issued this phone only in the end of August because of pandemic. But this phone feels very good. So you see this button is white, not white but creamy. And this is plastic body. They have only one camera with this lightning and fingerprint. This is G, and they have 3.5 millimeters jack for headphones. This is very good. This is only one single camera, selfie camera, and let's try to turn it on. You can see the screen. Screen is very pleasant. Now you see that it is very close to the edge, and people say that this phone is better than Pixel 4 that cost $800. I remind you that this phone cost only $349. You can check link, Amazon link on direct Google store under this video. But you need to be lucky because this phone is unavailable very often. So now we activated this phone. It has clear Android 10 and this phone, the size of this phone is exactly as Apple iPhone X. It is exactly the same. Absolutely the same, but Google X has glass and this phone is plastic. Here is one camera and Apple iPhone X has two cameras. But the camera here is absolutely amazing. This camera can make very nice night shots. Camera impressive in the dark, better than iPhone SE. You can see on the pictures that it is much better than iPhone SE. Also, this phone has better zoom. You can zoom up to 7 times, and of course this is not because of the camera, but it is because of the chip and Google soft that can make that zoom. So Pixel 4a has astrophotography mode. So if you at night you can take amazing pictures of stars. You can check it. It is amazing function. So Apple has nothing like this or any other phone. No wide angle, but somehow it makes great photos. And the screen is 5.8 inch. This is OLED display. It go closer to the edges, and screen more than acceptable. So we can compare this phone with iPhone X, and you see that iPhone X is a little bit better. But this phone is more than 3 years old, and this is brand new phone. But the price of this phone was almost $1,000, and this phone cost only $349. And if you will be lucky, maybe you will be able to buy it on Amazon. You can check link down and see. But the size, absolutely the same. The size is absolutely the same. I think just Pixel phone is maybe a little bit longer than iPhone X. But I want to say that it is very pleasant to use this phone. It is very pleasant to tap this phone, and it feels very nice, because when you see this phone on the pictures, it seems okay, but when you take it in your hands, it is much more pleasant. So I think it is very good deal, and the price is absolutely amazing. So screen covered by Gorilla Glass 3. This is old cover, but of course, again, the price $349, it is amazing. The body is all in plastic, and it has a fingerprint sensor. It works good. It is very nice, very convenient for everyday use. So if you want to buy this phone for your parents or even for yourself, and it is very easy to use. It has clear Android 10, and Google promised that it will be updated for at least 3 years, because old model Google 3A now is still okay. You can buy it and use it. And Android 10 is simple to use, and it is easy to understand. So what we have inside? Inside we have 6 gigs of RAM. This is very good, because 6 gigs of RAM, this is more than iPhone X. iPhone X has only 3 gigs of RAM, and 6 is much better. But the weak part of this phone is main processor. Here Google put Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G. This is middle processor, and this is weak point of this phone. That is why it will not last as long as iPhone SE. So Google promised at least 3 years of soft update, And if you want phone for 4 or more years, look on iPhone SE, because iPhone SE has much more powerful processor, but still it is very pleasant phone. The price is $349, and you can check the link that it is very hard to buy, because sometimes it is available and sometimes it is not available. Also, you will find link to iPhone SE 2020 and compare the price, because now Apple has a lot of deals for that model. I think they did it because Google issued this model, and now they have a sort of competition between those two models. But I think you need a power bank for this phone and for that phone. That is why just buy power bank in case. And subscribe to Nick's Food channel. Remember that we make amazing WordPress websites for $199 in 24 hours. So you can go on our website and order a perfect website, and then maybe make review of this phone. What do you think? Subscribe on us. Bye bye.